About this item: crisp clarity. This 22-inch class, 21.45 viewable, Philips V-Line monitor delivers crisp Full HD 1920x1080 visuals. Enjoy movies, shows and videos with remarkable detail, incredible contrast. The VA panel produces brighter whites and deeper blacks. You get true-to-life images and more gradients with 16.7 million colors. The perfect view. The 178/178 degree extra wide viewing angle prevents the shifting of colors when viewed from an offset angle, so you always get consistent colors work seamlessly. This sleek monitor is virtually bezel-free on 3 sides, so the screen looks even bigger for the viewer. This minimalistic design also allows for seamless multi-monitor setups that enhance your workflow and boost productivity. A better reading experience. For busy office workers, Easy Read mode provides a more paper-like experience for when viewing lengthy documents. 75 Hz fast refresh rate. 75 Hz, via HDMI 1.4, brings your favorite movies and video games to life. Stream, binge, and play effortlessly. Smooth action with Adaptive Sync. Adaptive Sync technology ensures fluid action sequences and rapid response time.